Okay, everyone. I am at this place called the Best of Japanese Chicken Noodles, and I believe it's called Nanas. And I am in the Tonglo area of Bangkok, and we're in this very cute and small little Japanese restaurant, or little street side sort of little inlet, and we are watching these people eat and devour this most amazing food. And we've got a cute little server here, and she is running her little butt off. And oops, there's my backpack. So I'm just gonna go and quickly kind of watch what he's doing as he makes the noodles. And there's all these little things. Thank you. This is all ramen noodles. So anyway, I ordered a very simple noodle dish because I'm not really all that hungry, but I ordered this, and and my fried gyoza dumplings are coming as well. And here are some sauces that you can use to put on here. And I just kind of felt like having just a plain noodle dish today, so I will reach for the chopsticks, which are right in this cute little container here. And using one hand, I'm going to get the chopsticks out. And then as soon as my gyoza comes, I will then switch hands here. There's people walking by. Very busy area. It's actually a really upcoming area in Bangkok. So these are not mama noodles. These are actually homemade fresh noodles that you can get. I'm gonna take a little bit of some ground chili, so a little bit of cayenne. Sprinkle that on. There we go. One of the condiments I find so interesting is that they use sugar here quite a bit. So I like my noodles savory, but some people might want to disagree with that. So I'm going to put a little bit of chili peppers. Well, my little chili is quite a bit of chili. So these are typically not very hot, spicy. But anyway, kapunka. These are my gyozas that are going to be dipped nicely in, and they're made, they've got chicken filling as well. So anyway, this is my little lunch, and it's actually 100 baht, so very, very cost effective and affordable. And now we're going to sign out. Thank you for watching.